Hey guys, Welcome Kids here, and today we'll be making Rey from the Force Awakens Star Wars. For this build, you'll need a brown stud, pink stud, grey nipping thing, gold stud, or very light brown stud, and a black stud. First, put the brown stud on top of the pink stud and put it on top of the grey nipping thing. Then put the gold stud or very light brown stud on top of the black stud. And put it underneath the brown, the grey nipping thing. Around like that. You could make you could make her staff, a black stick, and maybe a black stick and 2 black lightsaber parts on each end. That may be a bit too big, but you can try it out. And we couldn't do Kylo Ren because we had lots of black stud, except we didn't have any silver for his silver part on his helmet and waist belt, so we couldn't make them. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below for more. See ya!